Making money through blogging is a realistic goal for many, but it requires patience, consistency, quality content, and a smart strategy. Here's a detailed breakdown of core methods and success tips. Foundations for success. Key steps before monetization. Choose a specific niche. Focus on a topic you're passionate or knowledgeable about. Examples: tech, health, finance, travel, education, cooking, self-improvement. Specialized niches attract targeted audiences and reduce competition. Create a professional blog. Memorable domain name reflects your niche that is easy to remember. Reliable hosting. Invest in quality hosting, example Bluehost, SiteGround, HostGator, for speed and security. Platform. WordPress.org is ideal for full control and monetization flexibility. Content quality is king. Create valuable, unique content. Solve problems, share accurate info, personal experiences, or fresh insights. Consistency. Stick to a publishing schedule, example 1 to 2 posts per week. SEO, search engine optimization. Learn basics to rank on Google. Keyword research is essential. Readability. Use subheadings, bullet points, images, videos, and short paragraphs. Build an engaged audience. Email list. Start immediately. This is your direct channel to readers. Offer a freebie, example, ebook, template, to encourage signups. Social media. Promote content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter/X, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Pinterest, tailored to your audience. Engage. Reply to comments, listen to feedback, and build community. Primary monetization methods. Display advertising. Ad networks. Google AdSense, easiest for beginners. Media.net, AdThrive, or MediaVine require higher traffic. How it works? Ads, text, banners, video placed on your blog. You earn per click, PPC, or per 1,000 impressions, CPM. Drawbacks: needs high traffic, thousands of monthly visitors for meaningful income. Can affect user experience if overdone. Affiliate marketing. Concept: promote third-party products or services, example Amazon, Coursera, hosting companies, tools. Earn a commission on sales or clicks via your unique link. Advantage: works with smaller targeted audiences. Key: promote relevant, trusted products. Write honest reviews, comparisons, or buying guides. Always disclose affiliate links. Sell digital products. Examples: ebooks, online courses, templates, WordPress, Excel, design, guides, software, or VIP memberships. Advantage: high profit margins, full control over pricing and distribution. Challenge: requires significant effort to create and market. Sell physical products. Ideal for niches like crafts, fashion, or specialty tools. Start via Etsy, Shopify, or your own store. Paid memberships or subscriptions. Offer exclusive content, example, in-depth articles, videos, webinars, private groups, behind a paywall. Requires extremely high-value content and a loyal audience. Offer services. Use your expertise to sell services like content writing, niche consulting, SEO optimization, social media management, web design or training. Your blog acts as a portfolio. Sponsored posts. Write paid articles or reviews for brands aligned with your niche. Key: maintain transparency, disclose sponsorship, and authenticity. Trust is your greatest asset. Crucial tips to boost earnings. Focus on value first. Prioritize audience building over early monetization. Profit follows trust. Patience and persistence. Building a profitable blog takes months or years. Don't quit early. Never stop learning. Master SEO, content marketing, analytics, Google Analytics, and monetization tools. Track performance. Use analytics to understand your audience, traffic sources, interests, behavior, and refine your strategy. Network. Collaborate with bloggers in your niche for cross-promotion. Market smartly. Leverage email, social media, and paid ads once you have valuable content. Transparency and credibility. Be honest with your audience, especially with sponsored or affiliate content. Trust is your greatest asset. Conclusion. Monetizing a blog is absolutely achievable, but it's not a get-rich-quick path. It's a real business requiring investment in time, effort, and learning. Start by creating value and building a loyal audience. Then explore monetization methods aligned with your blog's purpose. Remember, the more value you provide, the greater your rewards. Good luck.